We are glad to announce the upcoming Unite Research School 2026, organized by Politecnico di Torino. Building on successful previous editions, the Unite Research School will take place from May 11th to May 15th, 2026. The school will start and conclude at PoliTO main campus. The key courses and activities will be held at the Santuario di Oropa, an inspiring venue located in the heart of the Alps. More than 200 master students, PhD candidates, researchers, professors, and administrative staff will gather with industry representatives for interactive sessions and engaging lectures. The 2026 draft program will focus on three major thematic pillars: digital transition, with a focus on artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and Industry 4.0. Energetic transition, with a focus on sustainable energy, smart cities, and water management. Enabling technologies, with a focus on space technologies and biological engineering. Applications will open in February 2026. Stay tuned.